Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 11th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is a 1, a 2. I think we're in a wave 3. I believe it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs. Most likely end up looking something like that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this first push up right here is actually a trend for the wave 1. This is a way higher high than this, but I do think it is 3 waves down for the A, 3 waves up for the B, and I think it's 5 waves down for the C. 335, most likely a flat pattern. I think it's an expanding flat wave 2, and I think we are already in that wave 3, and I think on this weekly time frame, it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up for that wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You would think that this is a wave 1 of 3. I'm actually starting to think more and more that it's actually just a subdivision of a much bigger trend, and this actually is only going to go down to like the 38-50% before it actually does end up going back up. If it really is a wave 2, it could take out the low of wave 4, but I still think that this is more likely just a subdivision of that big wave 3, and it's going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So either way, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we do have CPI news coming out today, so we definitely have to be aware of that. That is a big news event for the dollar. It looks still to me like this is an A. It still looks like this is A, B, C of wave B. I was originally thinking that the dollar would actually cause this to go up a little bit more and end up looking something like that before it actually does go back down. Still kind of seems like it is pretty likely because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of seems like it's going to go up and make a wave 5, at least up to the 50% before, maybe in a week or so, it actually ends up going back down for a wave C. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it really does look like it's actually already turned, but I'm not really 100% convinced that this is really the end of a crescent right here. We do have a break of structure, but kind of looks more like it's a 1, 2, 3, and that this is actually a 4, and that the news is going to cause this to go up and make a wave 5, maybe go all the way up to the 50%, and then maybe, within the next 24 hours or so, that's when it's actually going to start to move to the downside, ending in ABC of B, and probably going down to make that wave C like I was showing and explaining on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.